Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, where we can find trees growing in the middle of the forest trail, which shows that we are planning to work with nature instead of against nature. And this is a pulai tree, a native tree which is one of the tallest tree species in Singapore that reaches the height of 60 meters or more, and somebody have carved a heart shape which hopefully will not affect the health of the tree. Now we come to a small wooden bridge where there is a stream, and above the stream is a waterfall that is flanked by ferns. And as far as we can see, it's a fully furnished. Here we see a staghorn fern on top of a tree not far from the trail. So it resembles the horn of a mule deer, or also known as a stag.